Folks, we're back with another Christmas video. We're calling this video Gift Wrap Deluxe, right here on my take on Home and Garden. Now we want to help our friends. Everybody's had to wrap a gift before, but we want to show people something a little different. We're calling this deluxe because, you know, typically we don't have time to wrap every present deluxe. There just isn't enough time, you know. Most of us work. So let me show you a couple of things that make your gift wrapping deluxe. First of all, I save all kinds of boxes from mail. You know, one big, wonderful, not expensive investment is a tape gun. So when you're using those leftover boxes, you know, they're going to be jaggedy and bent and so on. Now, this gift is for my daughter. So let's look at, I bore you to death with all the paper we have. I told you in another video, I hit all the sales. We just hammer the after Christmas. Never pay full price for gift wrap if you can help it. Sometimes you can't help it. So we're gonna just be a good judge of how much paper we need. Sometimes you can't win, you know, really with the size. Now, if you think you're going to measure everything, there isn't time. So I'm going to put my package basically in the center, and I'm going to have enough here that I know if I fold over, it can cover the whole end. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. Some of them are lined with a graph like this. I'm going to go a little over, and I'm going to look at it. See how we did. Yep, okay, good guess, right? We know that's going to work. So I'm going to bring half the page of paper up here in the middle. I like to get 2 or 3 tapes ahead and just get them on my finger like this to keep it moving. Pull this up tight. Get about 3 pieces in this length of a package on that seam. Because I don't want to see it and I don't want it to move. Then I'm going to work in a little different way so that you can see. It's going to be a little tough. I'm going to fold. So we started with that tube like this. I'm going to take the bottom and fold it in and crease it. Take the top, fold it down in there. Doesn't matter if there's a little left over. See how it's a little long? Doesn't matter. We're going to get our 3 tapes ahead again. On the fingertips, just as it comes off. Fold that tight. Pull this flap up. And we're going to get a piece on there. Right off the fingertips. See how that works? Here we are again. I need it. Thumb and ring finger takes it right off. We'll do one more. See that? Now we're going to do that again. This is my bottom. You got to keep track of that. That's all. Fold towards the box. Fold the bottom over first. Doesn't matter what's left. See this? It's all hidden. It's all gone. A lot of people get cutting and snipping and try to get it perfect. It just doesn't matter at that point. Now, we didn't end up the same here, and some people will have it just to have a fit about that. So if you want to, you can take a little off here and even that up. Let's go with the setup again on the fingertips. Comes right off the dispenser like that. Now I'm loaded for bear, right? I'm all set up. So this is closer to how I ended up on the other side. For people that are worried about how the bottom looks. Now if there's a baggy spot, I'm gonna put a piece of tape on it. I'm happy with that. One more. Okay, we're gonna get that over. Here's the top. This is how our package is going to be presented. Now if you have a big bulky, like there's a sweater you packed and it's not in a box and it's real bulky and these things are just bulging, you could put a piece of tape on there. But you see the way I pulled that tight, you don't need tape here. Alright, so now we're going to come over to our, what I call, you know, money, money, money. It all adds up and it can be pretty sickening. So, you saw me in our shopping haul. I get the stick-on. I'm fussy about which ones. They gotta look like I want them to look, but there's still a buck or two, okay? But that would be a boring video for you guys because anybody can do that. We're gonna raise the bar a little bit, okay, and go with a tray like this. Here's what they call specialty gift tags, okay? They're upgraded, obviously. They got a little ribbon on them. They're really cool. Now I need one for a girl, my daughter. So we're gonna, this is a small package. See why they're special? There's yarn on it, that twine, and let's see what else. I'm gonna take this boxwood and cut a little snippet off of this branch too. Now also I got from the Dollar Tree your dollar candy canes. Bless Brock's, God bless them, right? You can still get them for that. Unbelievable. Now let's see what we can do with those. But we don't have a ribbon yet. That's what's going to make it special. Now I want the ribbon on both ways. So I'm going to look at the length of the box. 1, 2, 3. I'm going past a little bit. 4. I know that's going to cover, and then the sides will do another one. 5. Okay. Then I want to make a bow. So I'm going to do 1, 2 more. Cut that. This is all cloth ribbon, really cute. And I want to find the middle, like we usually always have to do when we're working with ribbon. Now, I'm going to go over the package and flip it over. Now I'm coming back and I'm just simply crossing. This is the bottom because I don't want to see that. Just cross it and pull these over. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna tie this in a simple square knot, and I'm going to tie it again. If we were octopus, it'd be a lot easier to do a bow. I want a bow here, and I don't have a heck of a lot of ribbon, but that's because I want to get another bow out of that, or a couple out of that roll, right? So we'll do like you tie in your shoe. Yeah, this is the simplest one you can do. Anybody can do it. Even you men out there that act like you don't want to help or you can't do a present or do a bow. Now we're almost there. I'm going to tuck in. This is really extra. There's that little piece. Oh my goodness, look what that does. Little piece of boxwood, and let me tell you, that was at Wally World. You get this bush, right? 97 cents, and I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Now what'd it cost? 20 cents, right after tax. The piece of ribbon, which this was in a set, really reasonable to get this effect. We're not even done. Now we're taking the candy cane. Okay, people don't know how reasonable. This candy cane costs us 10 cents. At the dollar store, still. I think they were 10 cents when I was a kid. Where you gonna go, guys? Still good deal. It's still a deal.
To share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy. But now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention. Giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter.
Folks,
Is it just your eyes that have lit something?
that's our gift wrap deluxe. I'm gonna take you and show you all around.
My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in a
So now we've added our ornament piece to each package for the extra special look. And to make our gift extra special.
cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year?
And if you like this video, give us a like, a share, a comment, a subscriber. Send a wheelbarrow load of subscribers over. We'll love you forever. And we'll see you in the next Christmas video. Thanks, guys. Follow us on Instagram. Take care now.